Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Modern Japanese. Today I will talk about grammar nounX, nounY. This grammar links to noun and show different connection like ownership or relationship. If you get good at this grammar, you can tell people things more clearly and with more detail, and your Japanese will be richer. Okay, let's get started with today's lesson. So, first, what is nounX, nounY? The nounX, nounY grammar links to noun in Japanese and shown various relationship. It works like English z or of, but show more kind of connection. Noun goes between two nouns to show how the nouns are related. In place of x and y, you can use many different nouns like person, object, location, or concept. So next, how does nounX, nounY work? First, so how to make the nounX or nounY grammar? You can build a sentence with this grammar by placing no between nounX and nounY. So this is how to create a sentence. nounX plus no plus nounY. nounX, nounY. So what's the use case? This grammar. So when you want to show the something is honored, or want to show that something belong, want to show a piece of something else, and I want to show how things are connected, etc., etc. And next, things to remember when using the grammar nounX, nounY. The meaning of the same expression can change depends on the context. For example, let's say company's desk. Japanese say 会社の机. But it can mean desk owned by company or desk is at the company. It depends on the context, so take care about that. And putting no again and again makes noun phrase too long, so the sentence gets confusing. For example, was English. So their room of my friend's school teacher. Japanese say 私の友達の学校の先生の部屋. It's very complicated and makes someone confused. So you shouldn't use that, and if you put no, maybe 3 times is maximum for me. So this is example sentence. So let's see together. So first one, my book. My book means Japanese say 私の本. 私の本. 私 means my. 私の means my. Book means 本. 本 means book. 本 means book. So 私の本. 私の本. Next one. My friend's pen. My friend's pen. Japanese say 友達のペン. 友達のペン. 友達 means my friend. My friend. Pen means pen. Pen. So 友達のペン. Next one. School teacher. School teacher. Japanese say 学校の先生. 学校の先生. 学校の means school. 先生 means teacher. 学校の先生です. 学校の先生. Next sentence. Company meeting room. Japanese say 会社の会議室。会社の会議室。会社の means a company. And 会議室 means meeting room. So 会社の会議室。Next sentence. Car tire. Car tire. Japanese say 車のタイヤ。車のタイヤ。車の means car and a tire means タイヤ。So 車のタイヤ。車のタイヤ。Next sentence. Cat's tail. Cat's tail. 猫の尻尾。猫の尻尾。猫の means 猫 means cat. 猫 means cat. And 尻尾 means tail. 尻尾 means tail. So, then 猫の尻尾。猫の尻尾。Next sentence. Family picture. Family picture. Japanese say 家族の写真。家族の写真。家族の means family. 写真 means picture. 家族の写真。家族の写真。Next one. Japanese food. Japanese say 日本の食べ物。日本の食べ物。日本の means 日本。日本 means Japan. But 日本の means Japanese something. So 日本の means Japanese. 食べ物 means food. So 日本の食べ物。日本の食べ物。So next one. Tokyo's train or train of Tokyo. So Japanese say 東京の電車。東京の電車。東京 means Tokyo, city name, city of capital of Japan. And 電車 means train. So 東京の電車。東京の電車。So last sentence. Japanese culture. Japanese say 日本の文化。日本の文化。Same as 8th sentence. 日本の means Japanese. But 日本 is Japan. So 日本の means Japanese. 文化 means culture. So 日本の文化。日本の文化。So this is a recap, and I will talk about the next grammar and the next video and the next grammar. So first we will do recap. The nounX no nounY grammar links to noun in Japanese and shown various relationship. This grammar by placing no between nounX and Y. X nounX plus no plus nounY equal nounX no nounY. And this grammar can make things hard to understand if you make longer phrase. For example, 私の先生の友達の blah blah blah. Like you shouldn't use a lot of no. So it's not best not to use no more than 3 times. It's gonna be complicated sentence. So next step, grammar, and the next video we will talk about これ、それ、あれ、どれ. Learn how to use これ、それ、あれ and どれ to refer to object based on their distance to the speaker and the listener. So thank you for watching our video. If you like this kind of video, please leave like and subscribe. ありがとうございます。